Hello and welcome to a curtain raiser on the Business Today Crypto Conclave, and a very, very exciting conference that we have planned for you, particularly in light of all the developments in the space. The fact that crypto assets have become much aspired towards, the fact that we have seen increasing recognition from regulators as well, a lot of questions around the future of crypto and really what to expect next. Let me welcome on board Sumit Gupta, co-founder and CEO CoinDCX, and Neeraj Khandelwal, co-founder and CEO CoinDCX as well. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being with us. Great to have you with us and the force behind putting together the Crypto Conclave at Business Today. Tell us what your primary drivers are and the kind of topics you want to explore as we take forward this day-long conclave next week. What are some of the key things that the crypto industry is watching out for?
Sure. First of all, thank you so much, Abha, for having us on the show here. As you rightly mentioned, right, the world is going through an economic transformation, and crypto and blockchain are going to play a pivotal role in that. Given India's technological edge, right, and the and the nature of blockchain as a technology, I think India is set to benefit a lot from the full potential the sector has to offer. We would love for all the industry stakeholders to come together on a common platform, discuss what the future holds for us, how can India be a leader in this space globally, and that's what we want to drive and contribute to in the future by having these sort of conversations and dialogues happening about crypto and blockchain.
Okay. Neeraj, let me also bring you in. What are some of the learnings you feel the audience would take away from this program? I know that at CoinDCX you address so many questions from those that are interested yet curious, nervous about investing in these assets. What are some of the key takeaways you're hoping that they will gain from the conclave?
Sure. Thanks for having me here, Abha. So crypto, though we know crypto since quite a few years, but then there are a lot of doubts and confusions on this industry and the asset class. So we hope to make fruitful discussions on how the crypto can potentially make a real difference to the India's growth story, right? What are those end use cases? How can crypto potentially impact the financial ecosystem in a positive manner? And at the same time, with that in mind, with long-term potential of crypto in mind, I think there are regulatory challenges which surround this industry, and then there are confusions on taxation, which we want to discuss more about. We also would discuss more on things like NFT, which are upcoming trends in crypto. And I think people attending can hope to learn more on all these aspects. At the same time, how can everyone contribute to building this nascent industry, right, and bring it to fruition? Is that something we'd like to focus upon?
Sumit, what is CoinDCX's stance on the tax that the government has imposed on cryptocurrencies?
Sure, Abha. I think everyone in the industry acknowledges the fact that it's a great move. Definitely taxation is important, and it just brings a standardization across the spectrum. Earlier, there were confusions around it, like what tax they should pay, but now there is at least some standardization. What we believe is that the current tax provisions are quite onerous and restricts the growth of the industry in the long term. The government needs to think through once again and discuss with the industry on what are the tax provisions that we can bring in so that the crypto growth continues to stay. For example, 1% TDS is very onerous for the industry. The capital will get blocked, and ultimately that's also going to hamper the revenue for the government. So overall taxation is a great step. We welcome that move. We just believe that it can be discussed once again and looked into so that the industry growth continues to be there.
Okay. Some people say that cryptos are bad, but blockchain is good. And that's, that debate can go on and on. But if you could give us a teaser or an insight into that argument, Neeraj, what would you say?
Blockchain is good. Yes, blockchain is good. Blockchain is the foundational technology on which crypto industry is built on top of it. But I believe crypto is a very powerful application of blockchain, especially when it comes to applications in the finance industry, right? In finance industry, you need to represent assets technically. You need to represent that value which crypto facilitates, right? Crypto essentially is value on top of internet, which I think that kind of a concept is very essential when we want to improve the overall financial industry, right, and make it more efficient. So I believe both are important. Blockchain has many applications apart from crypto, but crypto is really a powerful application, and it can disrupt financial industry globally.
Sumit, do you feel that regulation is a positive step? You've talked about recognition for the industry, but do you think this is also positive in terms of safeguarding investors and creating a moat for those who perhaps, are being told that this is too volatile an asset?
Absolutely, Abha. I am a strong proponent of regulations. I think regulations has to be there. It just grows, it just ensures that the industry is growing in an orderly fashion. It protects the interest of the customers. It gives comfort to the regulators with the various benefits, and the industry, the category will grow in size over time once the regulations are there. A lot of people are in India are sitting on the fence, waiting for government to give a nod that okay, they can participate in this economy. So definitely regulation is a very positive step in that direction. We welcome that, and we would want government to regulate the industry so that India continues to lead the charter globally in terms of crypto and blockchain revolution.
Well, in light of some of these complexities, we bring to you the Crypto Conclave, Business Today Crypto Conclave, powered by CoinDCX. The experts in the field that will help to bring some of these issues to light with other stakeholders as well. We'll be discussing a whole host of issues around cryptocurrencies, including taxation, regulation, the NFT craze, watch out for that one, the underlying blockchain technology, its benefits, and the skilling challenge, as well as a whole lot more. So do stay tuned for the Business Today Crypto Conclave, powered by CoinDCX. Sumit, Neeraj, thank you so much, and we look forward to a stellar show next week.